Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we have amazing video as always. One of you asked how you can actually sort an injured shoulder. Okay, so I'm here to respond to that, and what I have with me is one. Okay, now shoulder mobility, I'm going to use my elastic band. So elastic bands normally come in different sizes. If this one is slightly harder for you, you can get the softer one, because we have the small ones which are a bit, not too hard to pull like this one, but whatever works for you. If you don't have the elastic band, you can actually even use a towel. Okay, towel, spread it out, so overhead, drop your arms down together to the back, and overhead again to the forward, all the way back, all the way forward, back, forward, and remember we are targeting between 5 and 10. 10 being my favorable number, because actually you really want to not only work on the shoulder injury, but you want to ensure that in the future you're not suffering from shoulder problems. Okay, So this one, remember, you're going 10 of them. So you can actually even hold this one, and at the back here you straighten your arms and pull down. So in as much as you're also working on your tricep, you're also stretching your arm. Okay, stretching your arm. We're doing that 5 of them. Okay, and then after 5 I change my arm, overhead extension, drop it back. For 5. Okay, so with the same overhead, I drop to the shoulder and take it back. So I'm holding slightly closer so that I can offer a bit more resistance. Up, drop, up, drop. Again, we are targeting between 5 and 10. I can feel my shoulders getting worked. So 10 of that. Then now you can move forward with the same arm, open out, down. So okay, stretching your arms out, back in, out, back in, out, back in, out, back in. You can feel it on your shoulders. You're getting warmed up. Like we said, you're supposed to be doing within, your range of motion. Okay, so don't try to pull the shoulder so much backwards. So doing that 10. After that, now we can go for the shoulder stretches. Okay, overhead, I hold the elbow and pull it at the back. We hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now the same hand across. When I press from here, I'm unlocking the whole shoulder and relieving any tension on the shoulder. Yeah, so actually you can sometimes hear it popping out, not popping the bad one, yeah, but just a nice stretching out of the shoulder. Okay, the same, I change now the other hand, same stretching, pull at the back for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The same hand, take it across. So you press from here until you can feel the shoulder getting relieved. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rotate for 5, 4, 3, 2. Change direction for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so take your arm at the back like that. The other hand up here. So you can lock, you can hold hand and lock and stretch for 5 counts, okay? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you change the other hand, hold and lock, hold the arm for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and good. Rotate your arm for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Single hand rotation for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, reverse. But guys, be very cautious with this one. So make sure you're not doing that using so much force, because this is unusual movement of the arm. So remember, we are abiding by the safety regulations. So make sure you are safe whatever you're doing. Just reverse for 5 or 10. Okay, good. So using free hands again, you can go for upright rowing. When you're doing upright rowing, remember you're working on the traps. So doing without weight is the best. But if you're using using our band here, elastic band, so make sure you're stepping it and you have some resistance and some room. Then overhead, you are pulling up. My elbows are pointing up slightly above my ears, then down. Chest is forward, so it's only my shoulders moving. Upright, okay, between 5 to 10, then you are good to go. So that's it, guys. Keep on putting your questions in the comment section, and I'll be very, very glad to answer all your questions. Until the next video, bye bye from me.